So Conger Construction Group, family-owned business. I'm a second-generation owner. My father founded the organization in 1992, so we're in our 27th and a half, into our 28th year in business. We're a commercial construction company. Most of our work is in the design, build, construction management arena, and kind of market areas or segments within those delivery methods. We've always been and always have done a lot of higher education in K-12 school construction, and then we also do manufacturing, light medical, medical offices, and then we've kind of got into doing a lot of recreation work. Those are kind of the markets we serve. We do a lot of manufacturing, pre-engineered metal buildings, all over. So those are the kind of the 5 areas we play in the most, but really for us it's about the delivery method. My name is Justin Conger, President and CEO of Conger Construction Group. I work with 6 direct reports that report up to me through the organization. I report to our board of advisors and try to set strategy and ensure we're continuing to grow as an organization. Coming out of our first strategic plan in 2012, we were a small family-owned business. We ran like a family-owned business. We operated like a family-owned business. There was no true process. There was no, hey, long thought out, this is what we want the organization to look like. This is how it should work. This is what a strategy map is and kind of how you communicate that strategy through your organization from top to bottom and bottom to top. Since we've been engaged with ALINITI now, again, for 6-7 years, we've completely taken our organization, both from a process standpoint and from an organizational standpoint, flipped it upside down, shook it, and for the most part started all over. They've helped us develop role descriptions for every job, every seat, every position within the organization. We went through the org chart and kind of developed out roles, role descriptions, key accountabilities for each one of those descriptions. They've helped us with simple blocking and tackling HR, compliance. We went through every 2 years, we go through our employee handbook, update policies, whether it's social media policy, equipment policy, training. They help us navigate through the myriad of red tape and things that apply when it comes to workers' compensation, drug-free safety program, EEO compliance, all the things we were doing, but it's just, as we've grown and we continue to build out the team, that's requiring more and more man hours for us internally. ALINITI has done a great job as well helping us find talent. They're so ingrained in our organization. They kind of know the type of people that we want. They know the role because they've helped us develop those roles. So it could be just as simple as helping us vet through candidates. Everybody gets busy in their day-to-day operations. Everybody gets in the day-to-day mode. They get lost in project management. They get lost in trying to be a manager. And ALINITI's there kind of keeping them on track. Hey, we need to do this. We need to have this performance review. Let's get together for coffee and discuss this. And maybe we can develop out that. So they're thinking strategically too about all things HR. It's been a huge part, I think, of our growth as we continue to grow. Because again, everybody gets stuck in a rut. Everybody's like, oh, I got all this doing to do. And they don't devote enough time to thinking big picture, thinking what's the next training we need, or what's the soft skills that we're lacking, or what's the hard skills we're lacking. I think some of the times they're doing that, which is really helping us. I highly encourage any business owner to get real serious about what their organizational development looks like, about how their processes are in place, how they evaluate their talent, how they communicate with their people. Because if you're not doing it, other people are, and you're going to lose the talent, and there's nothing you can do about it. As a strategic partner, ALINITI has enabled our upper management to focus on the growth and strategy of our business while they handle the blocking and tackling of the day-to-day nuances of HR, which at the end of the day helps me sleep better at night.